Check out this listing at 2085 Buffalo Valley Road. 4,400 plus square feet, all brick, custom built home with a full-size basement sitting on 8 acres in Cookeville city limits. Move your family to your mini farm today. Come on in. This family home features a separate dining room with lots of natural light overlooking the front porch, hardwood floors with a good flow into the kitchen with a huge island for family gatherings, solid surface countertops, nice custom built, of course, cabinets, stainless appliances, lots of pantry space, opening into a gathering room that's perfect for the kids while they're doing homework, and mom, of course, features a fireplace for coziness and an outside door to that southern living front porch. This space is great for entertaining. We're going down the main hall. We have a half bath for guests, main level master suite. For the young moms, this is a custom built with a nursery even for small children. Or of course, this could be a home office space, master bath with tall countertops, walk-in shower, nice walk-in closet. And then we walk into the family room. Again, hardwoods continue, lots of windows with natural light, fireplace, a great family gathering space. And to the right, we have a room that could be converted to a bonus room, a home study, office. This home was custom built for a family with 4 kids. Now they've all grown, but we have lots of bedroom space upstairs for all the kids or the growing family, or even the multi-generational family. We have a bonus space, bedroom, and bath combination for an apartment style, perfect for a teenager, college student, even a mother-in-law. Or this floor plan is also perfect if you have one child that's a boy or one child that's a girl, to separate the boys from girls. Down this hall, I love this feature. We have washer and dryer upstairs for the kids, washer and dryer downstairs also. And we have 3 bedrooms on this end and a full bath. So space for all of the kids to have their own bedroom. I love that we have hardwood floors in the hall, and down the steps, the treads are hardwoods. Nice landing back down to the welcoming entrance. So now let's go to the basement. Dad's gonna love this. Moms will too, because it gets the toys in their own space. Upstairs, we had a 2-car garage. Down here, we have a 1-car bay. So there's lots of space, and this boat fits nicely in here. Boats, lawnmowers, 4-wheelers, even a tractor. Store all your extra seasonal items. And of course, now we're all conscious of our storm shelter safety, and we have a room for that. So this is a great feature with a full unfinished basement. Okay, now we're back on the main level. Come on back. This is the 2-car garage, a full bath. This is perfect for when the kids are in the pool to come in and use this bath. We have an organizational built-in for backpacks, coats, shoes. Moms will love this. Extra coat closet and main level washer and dryer. So let's check out this outdoor space. This is great for the kids. Mom can feel safe. They're all in this backyard area, basketball, play gym, entertaining space, grilling. Got a built-in fire pit grill, an in-ground pool with an electric cover, which is a nice feature. We can stay at home and entertain the kids and vacation. A nice little outdoor shed for your tractor. There's space for garden, animals. We hope you have enjoyed your open house at 2085 Buffalo Valley Road. Schedule your showing today.